Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a checklist template in ClickUp. So I'll first go to list view right here, and we're going to open up a random task to first go ahead and utilize that to create a template. So let's do this one right here, task 1. And what you need to do once you open this task up, you come scroll down here, you see checklist, click on create checklist. Now I want you to name this if you want. Okay, then add checklist item. So let's say draft. Okay, and then go ahead and do an edit maybe, and then publish. Okay, there you go. So let's say this is our template. And what we just need to do, very easy, can click on these three dots to get options and click on save as template. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and share this with all the members. If you want to select certain people, you can go ahead and do that as well, or only me. Okay, I'll do all the members so everyone in this space will get access to it. So you can name it anything you want. So let's do template 1 checklist. Okay, and then I'll come to the bottom right, make sure you save it. And there you go. Your template is being created. Now it's been created. There you go. And as long as someone is using this space, okay, this team space, then they can utilize that template for the checklist. Okay, really that easy and simple.